So students, today in this class we are going to discuss some inside question and answers, MCQ type of question answers from chapter number 3, geography. Okay, I know in this vacation you have enjoyed a lot, and some students, they also prepared for their upcoming examination. So in your upcoming examination there will be 50 marks questions, and 50 questions will come, and each questions contains 4 options, and you have to choose the correct option among the 4. So now today in this class I am giving you some question and answers from chapter number 3. Okay, so quickly open your geography copy and write down some important questions, and I am asking also, I will ask also the questions to you. You have to give the correct answer and write down, and you will write the correct answers in your copy. Okay, so the first question is, number 1, that earthquake is an effect of A, endogenic forces, B, exogenic forces, C, erosion, D, none of this. So which is the correct option among the 4? Tell me, students. So some answers already given. Okay, Oyantik said it is endogenic. Okay, Nandini also, Tanisha, it is endogenic forces. So the correct option is yes, A, endogenic forces. Okay, so earthquake is an effect of endogenic forces that occurs inside our earth. Number 2. Now question number 2, that lithospheric plates Lithospheric plates move around the earth very slowly, just a in a year, dash in a year. Okay, the correct option is A, few centimeter. B, few inch. C, few millimeter. And D, few kilometer. So which will be the correct answer? mm. FM. Hasibul said FM means anyone else? Option A, few centimeters. Any other? C, few millimeter. Number C. Okay, most of the students said that it is few millimeter, and it is correct. That correct answer is few millimeter. Okay, so lithospheric plates move around the earth very slowly, just a few millimeter in a year. So that's why we cannot feel the movement. It's very slow. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is, beaches formed due to A, erosion, B, earthquake, C, endogenic forces, and D, deposition. So which is the correct option in this case? Who is laughing? It is Shoykot. Okay, Shoykot, some of these options are very confusing and some are okay. So most of the students given here deposition. So I think yes, the deposition is the correct answer. So the beaches form due to deposition. So deposition is the correct answer. Very good. So 3 questions completed. So I hope you have written this in your copy. So I am rubbing question number 1 for another question. Now question number 4. That erosion breaks the roof breaks the roof and only walls left. This wall-like features are called A. C arches, B. C cliffs, C. Stacks, sorry, and D. Loess. So which is the correct option in this case? So tell me, the erosion breaks the roof and only walls left. These wall-like features are called A. C arches, C cliffs, C stacks, D loess. So which is the correct answer? Some student mention here that is the stacks. So rest of them agree with it or not? The rest of the students agree with them that it is stacks? Yes, and it is correct answer, it is stacks. Okay, when a C arches, when a C arch like features, the roof was broken and only walls left. So in this features, in the due to the erosion of sea wave or oceans, called stacks. Okay, and it can be found in the coastal region all over the world. Okay, so this is the question number, correct answer, correct option of question number 4. Now I am rubbing question number 2 for another question. Three also. Now question number 5. And this question is the material carried by glaciers such as big and small stones, comma, sand and silt. Gets deposited called A. loess, B. dunes, C, moraines, and D, none of this. So which is the correct option? Okay, already mentioned by the students, they said it is the glacial moraines, that the material carried by glaciers such as big and small stone, sand and silt get deposited, called moraines. Okay, so very good, it is the moraines, option number C, absolutely correct. Okay, so next one, question number 6. So I'm having question number 4. Okay, so the next question is, delta can be seen at estuary of a river, B, the middle course of a river in glaciers, and D, in lakes. So which is the correct option in this case? So mouth of the river, that option is not here. So which is the correct option in this case? A. Okay, most of the students, they mentioned A, means estuary of a river, and it is almost similar, because estuary means a place where river meets with the ocean or sea. It is called estuary, and most of the cases the delta also formed on those regions. So delta can be seen at estuary of the river. It is the correct option. Very good. C is not the correct option, Soikot. In glaciers, Hatsabul is laughing. Okay. Sometimes this type of option also present, but some students also confused with this and they gave the wrong answers. Okay. They also, some student also giving tick in that in lakes we can found delta, but it is wrong. Okay. So now question number 7. This is the last question from today's class. Question number 7. that earthquake is measured with a seismometer, B seismograph, C seismogram, and D none of this. So two students given the correct answer, another one B also. Oyuntik said it is B, and Asibul also said it is B. Shakshi also, Sani also. Okay, and the correct answer is yes, seismograph. Okay, measured with seismograph. The name of the device through which the earthquake is measured is named seismograph. Now tell me students, what is the scale through which we can measure the vibration? We can measure the vibration. We use the scale to measure the vibration is called yes, Oyuntik and Nandini correct. It is the Richter scale. So Richter scale is the scale through which we can measure the vibrations. Okay, but and one thing that these vibrations don't have any unit. Okay, in this scale no unit was there, so we just simply mentioned that 7.9 altitude of, okay, 7.9 altitude of in Richter scale. So no unit is there. So this is the main feature of Richter scale, like meter, kilometer, gram, centimeter, nothing, feet. Okay, this type of measures were not present. In this case no unit is there. This is the unique feature of the Richter scale, remember always. So that's all students, that's all from today's question answer session. I hope you have written all these question answers in your copy. So read this carefully and read the chapters line by line. Don't skip anything, especially the bold letters mentioned in your book. Read all these things. Okay, so if I have opportunity, then next day I will come with another chapter, okay, with MCQ question answers. So best of luck for your upcoming examination. Thank you.